And it is shocking because it's dealing with somebody who was sentenced to 15 years in prison. It seems the only thing that he appealed on was the confession, and the Privy Council gives the whole judgment at the Court of Appeal here, and I'm going to read it. The judges said, having looked at the transcript and having heard counsel for the appellant this morning, we're satisfied that the learned judge was correct in admitting the record of interview. In our view, having accepted the evidence of the witnesses for the prosecution and after hearing the incredible story of beating, and the evidence of the doctor that the injury of the head and buttocks were 2 to 3 weeks old, which would mean that they were inflicted prior to his coming into police custody, and his evidence that the injuries could possibly have been caused by a car accident, of which there was evidence, that it was reasonable for the judge to determine in all the circumstances that the prosecution had proven beyond a reasonable doubt that the record of interview was not obtained by oppression and that there was nothing done or omitted to be done to make it unreliable. On the evidence, in our view, it was properly admitted, and we dismissed the appeal and affirmed the conviction and sentence. That was the end of things for Vinson Ariste. It's 2013, and Vinson Ariste would end up spending a total of more than 10 years, about 12 years in prison, before his matter was eventually heard and decided by the Judicial Committee of the Privy Council.